decent block. I just don't like the fact it's on the corner, right next to the store or restaurant or whatever it is. Okay, where we at? A lot of trees. Just gonna be another clean out. Oh wow, it's a big cat. Got the classic computer screens back here. A couple of them. Go inside. Yep. Bunch of old stuff. Turn the light on. Put this in night mode. Plus. Oh wow, this is rotted out. Small little kitchen. I'll get rid of this. Is a big living room though. I will open all this. You feel me? Make sure this ain't this the bearing wall right here. Lights work on all the houses on the west. It's a big bathroom too. And got the little van. Okay, that's cute. The little classic stool and vanity, powder room, whatever they call it. Ain't that what it's called?
That's a nice little wide nest.
Yeah, that's a big bathroom. You hear me? You can put one of them clawfoot tubs in here, them standalone boys. I could deck this out. You see the ceiling? Man, that's a lot of bags. What you thinking? Wonder why? Oh, he got a jack. I just realized they got jacks holding the ceiling up, bro.
Glad you noticed that.
Damn. I wonder why. What the hell happened there? Now, let me get out of this room.
Well, see, that ain't supporting nothing.
I'm gonna have to ask Flores. This is a big room. Man, classic TV. Why you bed up so high? So much higher. Why they got that paint above their bed? That's crazy. Yes. Ooh-wee. This will be a hell of a clean out too. But this is oh, it's got its own bathroom. All right. That's probably why that wood rotted down there. What a light at for over here. Like this. Oh, here we go. They got the Hot Wheel track. I remember that. Big back TV. Got some tires. You want to roll out? Got some records. Got here brass hits of the 70s, Gypsy, Rhapsodies. Never heard of any of those. This ain't old enough. It's a big room. Man, it's a nice room. Add 2 rooms up here.
This a hell of a clean out. Let me say this house is a hell of a clean out. And they got old windows.
Yeah. Look at all that stuff. Yeah, that's the thing I don't like, the old windows, man.
Them leaning forward.
Them windows replacements be costly, man. It's like $300-400 a window, depending on the size.
Yeah, the basement is wet.
It is. Oh, it's a spacious basement. Got the wide steps. Oh wow, yeah, I can smell the moisture already. Oh my goodness, Jesus Christ. Bruh. Yeah, this will be a heck of a clean out here. Got the depends. A lot of books. A lot of baseballs. I wonder if any of them is signed by somebody. Let's see. So we're gonna take it. Nah, I ain't get lucky. There's a lot of stuff. Man, this is about 4 dumpsters. Jesus. How many dumpsters you think this is?
I couldn't even tell you. It's a lot of stuff.
It's like 4 30 yarders. My gosh. What? No way.
Get away from me.
That's a real.
Brick.
What the is in here? Brick.
And that it is. That's $5,000 cleanup.
Probably more than that.
You gotta take that garage down.
That's 25 alone.
2,000 right?
Oh, they
1,500 at least.
2,000.
No, 1,500. He's done 1,500.
1,500 plus about another 5 for the house in the yard. So I'd say about a $65,000-$70,000 clean out. The roof is new. Man, that's a nice house. That's a big house. Yeah, that front window alone gonna cost about $2,000. That's a big window. Oh, it's right here on the front door, but I'm gonna go look at the back first. Oh, this is a real nice backyard. This is a big house.
You know, on this back porch shit, man, I don't like all that. I mean, it's nice, but I don't like it.
You don't want to deal with fixing
I
it.
ain't never seen an upstairs and a downstairs back porch.
Yeah, they did.
I ain't never seen it like that.
They did some good work. And the window got the. What's going on there?
All old windows.
Yeah, I see. Got AC though. Yeah, that's a lot of windows, boy. A lot of windows. All type of notices. Stay out, notice of violations, emergencies to report properties under management and guard. What is this one? This is all eviction stuff though. That's big. Big and
like mold or fire.
big and stank. I like the layout though.
I mean, sort of kind of.
It's a big kitchen.
Got to open up this wall right here.
Oh wow, they got the sort of kitchen, the what do you call it? The addition comes off the kitchen. That's different.
But it's another addition too.
Yeah, over there it goes up, which is I've never seen before. I see a brick through this one. These windows ain't. Are they wood? Oh wow, they plastic. They're not even glass. This one plastic? They are plastic. Different. As we go downstairs, since we right here, it's clean. And ain't no water spots at the bottom, except for right here. See a little bit.
Oh, in that last house, it had a breaker box too. I mean, it had a
fuses.
Yeah, it had fuse box.
Oh wow, yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't see that, but this one got brand new fuse breakers. The box look new too.
This old. See.
They ain't got no hot water tank. This is a big
Well,
room.
that's what I miss about Jerry though. They pulling all them wires down.
Yeah, Flores, you gotta tell him. Dang. Why you ain't take none of the pictures? From the last one, the one house. Why you ain't take none of the pictures? That boy brought back memories. I remember when I used to go to my uncle's house back when he was pimping. I used to find pictures like that all the time.
Girls,
Yeah. Oh, that's a bathroom.
Always been freaking.
Man, he had them everywhere. Like places they shouldn't even been. Like he had them in the kitchen drawers. Like why you got the pictures in the kitchen drawer? That's crazy. Ah, let's see what the business card looked like in the 50s. Basement straight. It's just a big house. It's gonna make it kind of expensive. But I like the house.
Solid garage, a lot of windows.
It's not really leaning like I would thought. This what you wanted to see.
How they do that there?
They got their house set up real nice, don't they? Next door.
Mm-hmm.
It's a nice area though, man. Might be worth a. Is this real? Oh yeah, it is. Might be worth a look-see. For 79, offer 50. You be interested? Be interested at 50?
Oh no.
You don't know? Gotta get Flores over here first. That's gonna fall on somebody's foot. Man, how is it even still up? That's crazy. Look at this. It got another interesting bathroom with the. Whoa. What the hell?
Some windows is new up here, son.
Do not use plumbing system. The water has been shut off to prevent freeze damage. So why would it matter if you turn it on if it's off? So I'm assuming that will be the like master bedroom since they got the sun, but this is the biggest room.
Oh,
Yeah. Be a hell of a house for sure. Done the right way. Nice floors. Make the floors look. You know what I'm saying? Let's go see again before we make a decision. That's a good point. Not that it matters. If they ain't leaking, what difference does it make? Can you see them? They might have stolen. I think they stole them. I don't see no pipes. Yeah, I think they stole them. They stole all the copper. The water tank would have been over there. Nigga, it ain't not one pipe. It ain't even no pipe for the toilets. I mean, not the toilets, the tubs. Cause they would be right here. Cause it's a toilet right here, and then there's a tub on this side.
So you saying? I mean, it is some water running though, cause this running somewhere.
But where's the PVC pipes?
Ain't no PVC. It's metal.
Ain't even no metal pipes. Where's the metal? Okay.
These are metal pipes.
Nah, man. You should be able to see a trap for the toilet. Or not the toilet, but the tub. Or am I bugging? You know what? I am bugging. The toilet's on the second floor. The tub's on the second floor. So you won't see it actually.
Something was copper, but it's
they cut it.
Up. But it just need really it just need a whole new. Something that's gonna be hard. You know what I'm saying?
Nigga, this would be a dog house though, bro. We ain't got to tear no walls down. For the kitchen.
Yeah, you would want to tear this wall down.
You want to put a hole in it. You can't tear it down. It's load bearing. That's what this beam is.
Oh.
So you have to put a hole in it, like you know how we do the little butcher block thing. Or what they call that? Like a you know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
like a serve window.
Square.
Yeah.
Or you can't just take out from like here.
I mean, you could. Let me rephrase that. You could take the wall down. You just have to put a beam on both sides. Boom and boom. Now,
but you can cut it Can't you like cut it like right here?
I mean, not beam, a post.
Can't you cut it right here?
Yes, but you have to put the post right here.
Like this?
Put a post here, put a post here, so it don't fall. Yeah. Oh, for real? Let me see. That ain't old. It's just single dimensional, not two dimensional.
Got that little point sticking up in the middle.
Yeah, I don't know what that is.
Nobody gonna spend $100,000 on the roof, ain't new.
I mean, that's a simple roof. Even if we did have to do it, it's just not. It's just a basic.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Ain't a lot of gables. Ain't no gables.
Tall.
Yeah, it is tall. How much you think your guy charged? 5 racks? Did the water taste like poison?
Mm-hmm. It tastes funny.
What? You drank it anyway?
Mm-hmm.
You say I'm thirsty. These houses are nice, dog. Let me shut the block. You don't like the block?